Good day, everyone. Today we are going to show you the connecting with our VW Series. As you can see right here, we have about 100 square meters testing for shipping before we ship to you. And also, as you can see right inside of the cabinet, the whole cabinet we're using almost about awareness, except from the 5V cable and the signal cable and the main network and the main power cable. Each cabinet is concise. We will connecting for testing for now. And also, in the wire connection, we will make a files for you in your standards of your real project. Okay, and as you can see, each cabinet with the 4 corners, we have a hole in here. This is because the cabinet we make it very slim, so which means it doesn't need the steel structures inside the wall. You can put it on the wall directly, just with the 4 screws installed in it, and also make a hole into the wall. Then you can put the cabinets on the wall directly. And as you can see right here, we remove the module from the magnetic suckers. Each cabinet has the magnetic. Well, as you can see, our LED module has the same signage with the cabinet itself. So which means you need to make it for the one directions, then you can put it on the cabinet into the same way. Okay, from our design, the LED module we make it separately with the left and right, but not in the up and down. So which means that you can put it in left and right cabinet. It also can make it working as you like. Yes, so now each LED modules can display the same contains. Okay, and once you need to install you just put the modules into the cabinet one by one, then it will display well. Also, you need to connect to see the one directions. Yeah, because the cabinets and the module we will package separately. So the flatness, once you need to confirm, is that you have to make it smoothly by yourselves when you installed all of the cabinets. Okay.